Ito lang po ang gusto kong mangyari. Gusto ko, kung merong susunod na hearing, yung result ng gagawin yung investigasyon ngayon, sino-sinong involved sa corruption. May corruption dito, whether you like it or not. Meron po. Ang laking discrepancy. Mag-imbestiga po kayo, dapat may managot. Ang laking pera po dito ang nawala sa gobyerno.
Your Honor,
Dahil kung hindi po, sa susunod na Senate hearing, patatapyasan ko kayo ng budget.
Your Honor,
You can count on me on that.
I could say that, proudly say that there is no corruption in this decommissioning. We are just following the agreement.
Sir,
Do not tell us that we are corrupt.
I'm not saying you're corrupt. What I'm saying here is, meron pong mga tao dyan sa loob ng inyong organization. I'm not saying you are corrupt. I'm saying there are people there that are not doing their job, or maybe they're involved in corruption. Because if they're not involved, common sense lang po ito, Secretary Galvez. Pag nagsabi ka ikaw ay combatant, di ba combatant meaning meron kang baril. So kung meron kang baril, isusurrender mo yung kapalit ng 100,000.
Your Honor, the categories of the firearms is not only individual firearms. We have also cruiser weapons. That cruiser weapons, meron po yung mga 5 o 6 po yung tao na.
And then sana magmamatch pa rin. Isama mo na yung machine gun, isama mo yung cruiser weapon, kung ano pa mga weapon, kasama na dapat din.
But I definitely take offense, Senator, that you are already telling us that there is a corruption. I believe that is not a correct accusation to us.
Well, sir, I'm sorry. I'll stand by what I said. Meron pong corruption dito. Masaktan ka, I don't care. I'm talking on behalf of the taong bayan. Kasi nga, sir, very clear ng discrepancy dahil kung hindi po, kung wala po talagang korupsyon dito, sana nagmamatch tong numbers. Hindi po nagmamatch eh. At saka isa pa, dapat nag-imbestiga na kayo dati pa. Pinaliwanag nyo sa amin yung discrepancy. Ano nangyari? Yun lang po yun eh.
Your Honors,
Kasi we're talking of hundreds of thousands, may mga allegation pa nga, hindi nga natanggap daw yung pera.
Your Honor, we are there. We are validating all
Then prove to us na walang korupsyon. Then sabihin nyo sa amin bakit ganito kalaking discrepancy. Pag napaliwanag mo ng maayos, then babawiin kung sinabi ko rito.
Your Honor,
Mag-apologize pa ako sa iyo. Pero unless hindi mo paliwanag, then I'll stand by what I said, may corruption.
Your Honor, the commissioning body is an international body that really facilitated the decommissioning.
International bodies facilitating, pero sino nag-release ng pera? Tayo, Pilipino. DSWD nag-release ng
Yes,
pera.
but
To the recommendation of the body, kung ano may body sinasabi nyo.
actually the body will not say that the individual is already validated. Considering that international body is those are experts from
I know, sir, but you're in the military, right? Define combatant. Define combatant.
combatant can be the actual
Yes.
individuals
Yes.
holding the firearms.
Holding firearms. So, ibig sabihin, meron siyang firearms.
Yes.
So, your
the-
definition, galing sa'yo, your definition of combatant is someone holding a firearm. So,
yes.
where is that firearm ng
Sir,
combatant na sumurrender na binigyan 100,000? Dapat magmamatch yan. Galing na mismo sa'yo, combatant is the one holding the firearm.
you have
Where are the firearms?
sir ito nga natin sa
Last na sir, ano? At saka isa pa, sir, hindi ka ba nabulabog dito? 26,000 surrenderies na bigyan ng 100,000, umabot ng 2.6 billion and 4,000 lang firearms. Kasi kung ako, sir, sorry, I'm not saying you're corrupt. Sinabi ko sa loob ng organisasyon. Kung ako, sir, mababahala na ako. Kung ako, talagang hell break loose.
Sir, I have said earlier that the decommissioning of combatants have many process, including the decommissioning plus the SLW and also the DPAGs. DPAGs are the one in charge on those firearms that we considered as loose that had been given to the MILF and the MNLF. Those firearms that are personally owned, it will have a different program. And we believe.
So ang sinasabi niyo, sir, okay, nabanggit ang kanina personal. So may pupuntang combatant, may baril ako. Hindi ko surrender to kasi personal ko to. Ganun ba yung nangyari? Kaya yun yung difference ng 26,000 to 4,000 lang na baril. Kasi karamihan sa kanila personal, declared as personal firearms. Tulad sinabi kanina ni Ma'am Raisa. Or sympathizers.
Yes, Your Honor.
Pumayag kayo ng ganon? Eh di dapat, wag nyo bigyan ng 100,000. Dapat pera kapalit ng baril. So, sorry sir, then sabihin natin walang korupsyon. Okay. Then, katangahan. Again, I'm sorry for the word. Sorry for the word. Kasi, sige, tanggapin ko, yung difference is sa 26,000 sa 4,000 ay sapagkat karamihan doon ay may mga baril pero hindi sinurrender sapagkat personal use nila. O ba't tayo pumayag, sir? Kasi kung ako, sir, hindi ako papayag. Yun lang po. Sir, mag-imbestiga po kayo, sir. I'm not saying again you're corrupt. There is corruption here. Mag-imbestiga po kayo, sir. And dapat, head should roll dito. Meron talagang kalokohan dito. Hindi mo i-admit yun, sir, pero I'll stand by what I said. Maliban na lang, sir, kung ikaw ay nag-imbestiga at napakita mo sa amin, klarong-klaro na kung bakit ganitong discrepancy, then babawiin kung sinabi ko. Pero kapag hindi niyo po napakita na ipaliwanag na maayos, I'll stand by what I'm saying here na there is corruption. And sa susunod po na hearing, pababawasan ko po yung budget ninyo. Pataas ng pataas 1.9 billion, naging 7 billion. Heck. Tapos baka next year, magiging 10 billion na. Wag naman po. I don't have anything against you, Secretary Galvez. I don't even know you. Yung sa akin, trabaho lang. May nakita akong kalokohan dito, pinupunan ko po. Wag ho kayo magalit. But magalit na kayo na magalit. I don't give a heck.
Sir,
What I'm doing is investigating in aid of legislation. Kasi po talaga it doesn't match. Tatanggapin ko na lang kasi sabi ni Secretary Galvez, then I'll accept it as Bible truth or as factual. Anyway, sir, bago ko umalis, ito lang habiling ko. Please investigate anong nangyari dito sa napakalaking discrepancy. And then sino po yung mga taong nagkamali dito? Yung mga taong nagbigay ng pera o yung nag-process at nagbigay ng papel sa DSWD para mabigyan siya ng 100,000 each. And then, stop na po natin yung siguro if we need to change the law na kapag ikaw ay surrendery, pwede mo hindi surrender yung firearm mo kasi personal use mo yon. Kalokohan yun. Eh, ba't ka nang surrender kung hindi mo isusurrender yung personal firearm mo? So, meron ka pa rin palang firearm. Pwede kang bumalik din.
That
O
was
pumunta sa pagiging member ng private army.